In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a presale page in Mighty Networks. Before you build anything, start by defining your offer clearly. You want to know exactly what you're selling, who it's for, when it launches, what the presale price will be, and whether early buyers will get any bonuses. This could be a membership community, an online course, a group coaching program, a mastermind, or even a challenge or workshop. Getting this clear first makes the rest of the setup much easier because your page needs to communicate one simple, compelling offer. Next, log into Mighty Networks and either create a new network or choose an existing one. Then set up the community, course, or space that members will eventually access. Even if your content is not fully finished yet, it's still important to create the basic structure. Add a clear title, a strong description, and your branding elements so people understand what they're joining and can feel confident buying early. After that, set up your paid plan. Go to the monetization or plans area and create a new plan. Choose the pricing model that fits your offer best, whether that's a one-time payment, a monthly subscription, or an annual subscription. Then enter your presale price. For example, if your regular offer will cost more later, your presale can reward founding members with a lower rate. Now create your landing page. This page should explain the main benefit right away with a clear headline. Then describe the problem your audience is facing, followed by the solution your community, course, or program provides. Be sure to include what's inside, such as live coaching calls, a training library, community access, templates, resources, or accountability support. Also include the launch timeline so buyers know when access begins. To make the presale more appealing, add founding member bonuses. This could include discounted lifetime pricing, bonus training, a private coaching session, early access resources, or an exclusive founder badge. These bonuses help create extra value and encourage people to join before launch. You should also add social proof. Include testimonials, case studies, previous client results, screenshots of wins, or success stories. If this is your first launch, share your experience, credentials, or relevant past results so people can still trust the offer. Then create urgency with real, transparent deadlines. You can set a presale end date, limit founding member spots, let bonuses expire after launch, or explain that pricing will increase later. Next, set up checkout by connecting your payment processor and testing the entire experience, including the purchase flow, confirmation emails, welcome messages, and member access settings. Always test before promoting. If you're not ready to collect payments yet, you can build an email waitlist by creating a simple interest page, collecting contact details, sending updates, and inviting subscribers when presale opens. Finally, promote your presale page through newsletters, social platforms, podcasts, YouTube, and existing communities. As you share it, focus on the transformation